So here we're going to talk about an important application of uh, the present value, which is the loan. And in this particular application, it's called amortization. And when we amortize something, we're basically going to pay off a loan. We're going to figure out the amount of payment to actually pay out that loan. And so loans are basically present value problems because they're how much money you get now. And you're going to set up basically a sinking fund to pay those off as well. And the process of making payments on an annuity to pay down the loan is known as amortization. So it says, suppose you buy a television for $1,400 and agree to pay it for 18 equal monthly payments at 1.5% interest rate per month on the unpaid balance. How much are going to be your monthly payments? So remember the payment formula for present value. Payment is equal to the present value of your money times I over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to the negative n. And so here I see that the present value is the loan I'm taking, that's PV. My n, I'm making 18 equal payments, so n is equal to 18. My interest rate, my periodic interest rate I, is going to be equal to, well, I'm making that 1.5 monthly payments. So that'll tell me that's 1.5 plus 0.015, right? Divided by 12. And that's equal to this right here, 0.00125. That's my periodic rate right there. And so when I calculate this, then my PV, my payments are 1,400 times. I'm going to use that nice value for I that I have there, 0.00125 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.00125 raised to the negative 18. So when I calculate this, I'm going to do again, I always do this bottom part first. So I'm going to do 1 plus 0.00125, raise that to the negative 18th power. I get 0.977649755. I'm going to do 1 minus that next, 0.0222350245. Then I'm going to take that I, which is 0.00125, and divide it by that 0.0222350245 that I just got. And I get 0.0562176128. I'm going to multiply that by the present value of the loan, which was $1,400. And I get a payment amount equal to $78.70. So next part of the problem says, how much interest will you pay on this loan? Well, you're paying that $78.70 for 18 equal monthly payments. And remember that the actual loan, the present value of the loan itself, is only $1,400. But you're making payments of $78.70, and you're doing that for 18 years, 18 months. So when I do that, I get $1,416.60. So if I want to find out how much is interest now, your interest is just equal to the amount of your payments minus the PV, your present value. So it'll be 1416.60 minus the present value, which is 1,400. If I do that, I get a interest. The amount of interest I'm paying in interest is $16.60. Which, because I took it out a $1,400 loan, I would expect to pay a little bit more because of the interest that's being accumulated on that loan.